Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna share 5 ways to use a kohl pencil, that's your kajal pencil, and I'm gonna show some really simple ways that beginners can follow very easily. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So today I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Kohl Pencil, but you can use any kohl pencil that you have at your home, but just make sure that it is creamy and it is not dry, because if it has dried out it can really tug the skin around your eyes, which is really delicate and we do not want that. Starting with the first one, which is this precise eyeliner kind of look that we are going to achieve with the kajal pencil. I'm just gonna make some small strokes. As you can see in the video, I'm just making small strokes and then trying to join them. Also, you do not want to stretch the skin around your eyes a lot because that area is again very delicate, and you just want to hold it so that you have a little bit of balance with the other hand. Also, I would suggest you to keep your eyes open while doing this, because if your eyes are closed, the shape turns out to be a little different when you open them. So I would suggest you to keep your eyes open while doing it. Also, there's no need to worry if you mess it up a little bit. All you need to do is take a little bit of concealer on a tiny brush and wipe it like that, and this will also ensure a sharp wing. So this was the first way to use your kohl pencil. It's a very precise eyeliner look. Now other way to use your kohl pencil is a smudged eyeliner look that we are going to achieve using the other end of this kohl pencil. I'm just gonna smudge the line that we created before. If your kohl pencil does not have a smudger, all you have to do is grab a Q-tip or a earbud and just do the exact same motion back and forth just on the edges of the liner. You don't want to go too close to the lash line, just blend the edges of the liner. This is more dramatic than the previous liner, but it gives a very nice smoked out look to the eyes, which I really love. Now the third way to use your kohl pencil is to use it on your waterline and create a smoky effect. All you have to do is apply the kajal on your waterline and also a little bit below your waterline, just a little bit below, and then grab a brown eyeshadow. Any kind of brown eyeshadow would work for this, and a tiny brush, and you have to just blend the edges of the black kohl with this brown shade, and this is how it would look. Moving on to the fourth one, this one is more bold and it accentuates your eyes a lot. All I'm going to do is continue from the third look, is apply the same kohl on the upper lash line, and it's okay if you're not too precise with this one because we are anyways going to smudge it out, so it's okay if you're a little bit messy. And this is how the fourth look turned out. I really love this one. It really makes the eyes pop. Another thing that you can do with this look is use the brown shade that you used on the lower lash line also on the upper, like on your lids as well. It will look really great. Moving on to the fifth one, we are going to create a black smoky eye. Now this is the easiest way I think to create a smoky eye, is by using your kohl pencil as the base. So all you have to do is create a semicircle on your lids and then fill it up with the black kohl pencil, and you want to work a little bit fast with this one, because if the kajal sets and dries out in the place, then it would be a little difficult to blend it in the next step. So you want to make sure that you blend it just when it is creamy and not when it's dry, so it's easier to blend that way. And now once all the edges of the kohl that we applied are blended, all you have to do is take a brown eyeshadow shade which is a little bit darker than your skin tone, and you want to take it in your fluffy brush and then just put it above the black kohl that we just applied. Basically, you want to put it on your crease area and then blend it in circular motion and try to blend it upwards towards your eyebrows. And after this is done, we are going to move to the other eye and do the exactly same thing. Once that is done, I'm gonna use the same brown shade on my lower lash line as well to make it look a little bit more cohesive. And yeah, pop on some mascara or lashes if you like. So yeah, with this we come to an end of this video. This is your dark smoky eye look and it's very simple to create. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you guys learned something out of it. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below what you like about this video, and yeah, let me know your thoughts about it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.